NYC 3D printing, I've noticed that I might need a small spatula to just in case scrape off the resin of the glass and the pen itself. So I'm in the process of creating this myself on Tinkercad. I will keep you updated on what the final look is on this part. This is what I have so far. And I will work on flattening this end right here so I can have a nice sharp edge on this side. So stay tuned and I will show you what that will look like, because I know I'm going to need something similar to this to scrape off some of the resin just in case I have a fill print. So yeah, you might be able to download this on Thingiverse. This is what I have so far. Thank you for watching and stay tuned at our next video. This will be called the resin scraper. Alright, this is NYC 3D printing. This is my SLA scraper that I'll be using to scrape off resin from the glass plate. Just wanted to show you guys a quick tool that I created to remove resin just in case the print fails. So I'm ready with my own tool. I will also turn this into a scraper. I'm going to chop this up apart just in case there are bubbles. So there are going to be two SLA scrapers, one with so-called teeth, and this is just to scrape with. So this is my first tool that I'll be using, and stay tuned for the next tool. Thank you for watching. Alright, this is NYC 3D printing once again with our last and final SLA scraper. This one actually has some teeth on there, just in case we have bubbles. We could just scrape the bubbles away with our new tool that we created. So we pretty much have two SLA scrapers, one with teeth and one without teeth. I wish I had a different word to use instead of teeth, but this is the tool that you're able to download on Thingiverse. I will be uploading the SLA scrapers within a few seconds, and I will also post the link underneath this video. Thank you for watching. Once again, like and subscribe, share this video with others. If you have any comments, please feel free to ask comments. Feel free to ask any questions by posting comments, and I'll be able to answer any questions you have. And also, if I need to make another in-depth video, let me know and I'll be able to help. Thank you for watching. NYC 3D printing.